Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make Reuben Stuffed Chicken. Everybody loves a good Reuben sandwich, so I'm taking all the flavors of Reuben sandwiches and stuffing it inside of a chicken breast. You know this one is gonna be good. You want 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and you just wanna run a sharp knife right through and cut a little pocket into it. This will allow us to stuff some Reuben goodness inside. Next, you'll need some sliced pastrami. I just kind of bunch it up, fold it in with some Swiss cheese, and stuff it inside that chicken breast. Now, it wouldn't be a Reuben without a little bit of sauerkraut, so we're gonna take some and then just stuff a little bit of sauerkraut into each one with that pastrami and cheese. Next, we're gonna give this chicken a little bit of breading. You'll need 1 cup of plain breadcrumbs. We're gonna mix that with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of caraway seeds, which gives it that classic rye bread flavor. Or you could go the extra mile and make your own rye bread breadcrumbs, but we're gonna keep things simple and just cheat a little bit. Next, you'll need some Thousand Island dressing. We're gonna brush it onto the outside of our chicken. This will give us that Thousand Island dressing flavor, as well as help our breading stick. Make sure you get both sides. Once you have all of your chicken coated in the dressing, you'll wanna take each piece and coat it in the breadcrumbs and make sure you get both sides. I like to kind of bring some of my crumbs up and make sure I get it well coated. Once you have all of your chicken breaded, you have all of the elements of a Reuben sandwich. So we are ready to cook these up. We'll melt a tablespoon of butter in a large heavy skillet over medium-high heat and add in a tablespoon of olive oil as well. And get this butter to melt. Once that's all melted, we're gonna sear the chicken and then finish cooking it in the oven. So you'll wanna make sure you use an oven-safe heavy skillet like a cast iron pan. Just lay your breaded chicken right down there in the oil and butter. Give it about 2 to 3 minutes per side. You want it to cook just long enough to brown each side. Give it a flip and cook the other side as well. Once it's lightly browned on both sides, we'll just take the whole skillet and just slide it directly into the oven to finish cooking. It'll take about 20 to 25 minutes in a 400-degree oven for the chicken to finish cooking. Chicken needs to be cooked to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's finished cooking, you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.